So I've got my magnetic game here. Now what I want to do in this review, just kind of show you all the pieces that it comes with, and then also tell you how you play it, which is pretty cool. My grandkids introduced me to this game. So it does come with a little storage bag, so you can go ahead and put all your pieces in here. It does come with 3 ropes, and the purpose of the rope is to make just irregular shapes. I've just only used 1 rope. Of course, you can put all 3 ropes together and make it as kind of wild as you want to. It also comes with 20 pieces here. All these are magnetic, of course. You see here they're pretty strong. As they get kind of close, what they're going to do is just go together. And that's what you don't want to do. That is what you're going to avoid. So this can handle people up to 4 people. It's 1 to 4 players. Let's just say we have 2 players. Each one goes, they start putting their magnets around. But eventually it's all going to get filled up, right? So when someone puts their player down and it actually touches it, okay, now that player has to keep those pieces. He takes them out. And the object of the game is you want to run out of players. Be the first one to not have any at all. So if I keep touching somebody, I am actually gaining players. I don't want to do that. And the other player, of course, he's going to have 0 pieces, and then he wins. So it's pretty simple. The game can go pretty quick, depending on how many players you have. But it's super easy to play. We got 20 pieces here. They're all magnetic. They seem to be all well made here. There's just 9 sides to them. And then of course we got just a simple rope here, all cut. I'd say they're probably about 2.5 feet or so, 3 feet. But it's a lot of fun. You can play this anywhere you want. This was gifted to me so I could show you all the pieces it comes with, all the little things, and then how to play it too. Hope you found this review helpful.